Hi everyone and welcome to this hands-on demonstration of Einstar Vega, a complete wireless 3D scanner. In today's video, I will be demonstrating how to use Einstar Vega 3D scanner for high precision medical skull scanning. The scanner has inbuilt computing module to process the data and all your tasks can be handled by its touch screen only. So here, as you can see, we are going to scan this skull in two different setups, top and bottom. Right now we are using the bottom view. So starting with this view, as I move the scanner around the skull, you will see the software capturing geometry in real time, generating a detailed point cloud. So you can notice how clearly it captures fine features like cranial sutures, dental arcs, and even subtle textures. The tracking remains smooth and the Vega's depth accuracy ensures anatomical precision. So now once the scan is complete, the scanner allows you to clean the data. You can remove unwanted geometry, remove noise, and optimize the model before moving on to the next view. So now we have turned the skull for the second view scanning, that is the top view. Now using the powerful screen handling, we can scan very well and can capture every detail of the component. So after scanning, you will see two different setups we will get for the complete scanning. Now with the powerful software called Star Vision that comes with the scanner, we can easily align and merge them after connecting the scanner to your system. So now importing both projects, then clicking the align button, that's it. The software will automatically detect common features in both scans and merge them into one seamless 3D model, all with a single click. So the final step is converting the combined point cloud into a solid mesh. With just one click, the software processes the model and prepares it for the export. So as you can see, the data has been processed and it's a complete file that we can export. You can save the file in multiple formats like STL, PLY or OBJ, ready for 3D printing, digital archiving or further modeling work. If you are looking to digitize your world with a powerful wireless and lightweight 3D scanning solution, the Einstar Vega could be exactly what you need. For more details or to get your hands on the scanner, feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching.